So, one more day studying. Today has been my first full day studying JavaScript. I'm pretty excited because I've learned more HTML and more CSS than I thought. I remember more things than I thought I was going to remember. And there we go. I've set up some extensions for Visual Code Studio, and I've started working with GitHub, tiny bit, just for the course of LinkedIn, GS Essentials. But I'm on my way. So tomorrow is going to be like the third week of my learning path, right? And well, some days I just get like overload of information. Some days I feel like I can get more, but on average I'm studying 3 to 4 hours every day. Today I woke up at 3 because my youngest daughter woke me up at 3. Then by 3:45 it was clear to me that I was not going to be able to keep on sleeping anymore. So I woke up, did some stretching exercises and stuff that I do every morning. I meditated a bit, and then at 4:40, kind of 4:30, 4:40, I started studying. So at 7:45, when I usually every day start my day job, I had studied 3 hours already. I just finished my my day job a few minutes ago, and I've been half an hour, 45 minutes ago I finished. I've been walking, doing some exercise. I'm gonna go still walk a bit, have my shower, and keep studying a couple of hours at least, maybe 3 if I get to stretch my free time, my time at home. It's gonna be difficult because it's Friday. Kids come around at around 6, and Friday is like Friday night family, let's say. We watch a movie and have a pizza usually, and I want to be with my family as well. But I've been studying every day, at least for 1 hour or a couple of hours on Saturdays and Sundays, and I intend to keep on doing the same thing, to learn every day. Because for what I also walk at least 10,000 paths every day, steps, or I don't know what's the proper name, but I do my 8 kilometers every day, at least walking, right? And I've been doing that for 8 or 9 months, and it's just brilliant idea. Even if it's just walking and you don't do any exercise, just doing that physical activity every day does wonders. And then related to coding, studying every single day, even if it's just for 1 hour, it's better than studying 4 hours one day and then not studying anything for a couple of days. So I study my 3-4 hours every day of the week, from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I do nearly 5, sometimes I just do 3, but then Saturday and Sunday at least I do 1 hour, because that keeps you always, there sharp. Yep. And that's it for today's video. That would be like constancy. Oh, well, I don't know if the name is correct, but yeah, being constant and practicing every day goes a long way. Yeah, that's it.